Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and MeisterTask, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options. You can easily integrate the tools, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, and more. Second, unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, business for $12 is best for mid-sized teams, offers everything and unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, MeisterTask focuses on simplicity and ease of use, offering a streamlined task management solution. It offers features such as Project Essentials, Task Management, Project Documentation, Project Management, Communication, Teams, and Making the Leap. In the terms of pricing, MeisterTask offers a basic free plan. Second Pro plan is Collaborative Task Management Plan for teams at pricing $7. Third, Business Plan provides extended collaboration features at pricing $12. For organizations requiring advanced control, an enterprise plan with custom pricing is available. In summary, both ClickUp and MeisterTask offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature richness and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. In contrast, MeisterTask's simplicity and ease of use may appeal to smaller teams or those prioritizing straightforward task management. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.